windy. Water is a little cloudy or with algae. But my solution is to cultivate Daphnia. I already have some eggs for Daphnia moina, and Daphnia magna will arrive soon. They haven't hatched yet. I just added them today. Once they are ready, I will add them to the main pond. I'm also growing some kangkong seeds just right here where the water spillway is. They already have some roots. I also have water hyacinth, some water lettuce. We'll see if the water clears up. Subscribe and like. Whatever. Do as you please. There's the ram's horn snail. Right over there. There should be 11 of them scattered around the pond. There's also shrimp, but you can't see them. They are the greatest at hiding. The glowfish and the goldfish are well acquainted now. They sometimes swim together as one school. Meanwhile, I sometimes suffer from plants being uprooted from below. Having to replant them again and again is such a hassle. I'm thinking of adding small lava rocks to anchor them properly. Anyway, this is the garden. This is an avocado tree, but it's been recently trimmed. So, not the best look for it. It's been bearing fruit lately, but not big enough. Having it trimmed allowed for more sunlight, which is good. We'll see. My biggest sun blocker is this, the alagao tree, also been trimmed. This tree is often used as leaves. The leaves are used for certain fish dishes, ironically. Oh, it's starting to rain. Good. I'm only filming using my phone, so forgive the quality. And I'm only doing this for recording purposes. This pond I built is for simple recreation, admiring it and so on. There's no actual usage like breeding fish or things like that. I'm just doing it because I wanted to. I wanted something different in this barren garden. And here it is. Pond version 2. Next time, I'm expecting the water to clear up because of the Daphne. I'm actually interested in what the rain would do to this pond based on my design. Excess water will leave here and into my plants. My calamansi over there still growing. Yeah, stuff like that. Anyway, that's all. See ya.